symphony, just to say how much you mean to me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay y'all, so today is going to be like, Jesus Christ, today I'm going to be cleaning out my car and I'm going to decorate it too for you guys because I got a new car and y'all haven't seen it. But right now it's a hot mess because I've had it for a couple months now and it's a mess. So first of all, let me show y'all how dirty the outside. Let me show y'all how dirty the outside is. First of all, look at that. Pathetic, right? Okay, that's pretty much a sneak peek of what y'all getting, and then let me show you the inside. Inside is real bad, honey. Okay, honey. No, for real. Let me show y'all the front. Honey, and this isn't even like the worst part. Like, it's just real bad. Oh, this light is really hitting. I'm using my camera, y'all. I don't never come outside with my camera. Probably look slow. But yeah, so I'm about to clean out my car and I'm going to decorate it for you guys because I bought some decorations from Amazon and they all in my trunk. Let me show you. See all these boxes? See, my trunk is dirty too, but like this is like my esthetician stuff right here. This right here is like my esthetician kit, esthetician stuff. All of these Amazon boxes and packages and things, all of that is for when I decorate my car. But I waited decorating my car just for y'all, for real. The trunk, pretty much everything that's in the trunk gonna stay in the trunk except for the Amazon decoration, so we can kiss that goodbye. So yeah, I'm about to get this together real quick. And I got all of that down there, which is important stuff. And then this is clothes. And then in the back seat, more clothes and important stuff. So this is going to be kind of hard trying to figure out where the hell to put all of this shit. But we'll figure it out. Oh, and then afterward, I'm going to take my car to the car wash. I'm going to vacuum it and wash it and stuff. So, yeah.
If you took it there, first of all, let me say I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say
cleaned out my car mostly. Them two jackets are gonna stay in there because that's my work jacket, and that's, well, actually I could bring that brown jacket in the house. So let me just move it out the way. So that's my work jacket. So that jacket is staying in there, and then as you can see, the front is clean. Basically, the back seats clean. Basically, yeah. And all it took was all of this. Ain't that pathetic? So this one is trash, and all of this right here is everything that I'm taking into a house. This is a gift I never gave somebody for missing their daughter's first birthday. It's garbage in that box too, and those are just 2 pairs of shoes that could just come in the house because I don't use them anymore. Show you the passenger side. Passenger side, those shoes, I wear those to work. So they stay in the car because I get in the car with my Yeezys with my Crocs, because after work my feet be hurting. And that is a piece to decorate my car. The center console, that's a ticket that I gotta pay right now when I finish recording this video. The center console, really, I'm gonna clean that out, but not right now. I keep lip gloss in my car, so that's gonna stay. These pins are gonna go with me inside of school. It's my daughter's beret, so that has to go in the house. This is my wallet, and I gotta get all the change up because I actually bought coasters to go in the the cup holders. So they do have to get cleaned out, just not right now because I don't have anywhere to put them right now. So yeah. Right now, I'm back to see if I can vacuum my car somewhere, and hopefully the car wash is still open. It's like, what time is it? It's like 6:30, so I highly doubt that the car wash is open. Oh, isn't this nice and pretty? I highly doubt that the car wash is still open, but I'm about to take that stuff in the house, and then I will get back to you guys when I get in the car.
She moved out of state, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone, started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get to sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix, shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit, me I'm supporting this shit. This is a story, came from my life and I'm recording this shit. I'ma just give it to you, the rest instead of me throwing this shit. You know you important and shit, you know I'm supporting this shit. We used to do pornos when you would come over, but now you got morals and shit. I got like 4 on the wrist, and an adorable kid. I got a Drake in the studio, and I don't just mean that I'm in this bitch. Please make the most of this shit, don't just come close to some shit. I give you this bread, you rub me some head, and then you go blow up a bit. She moved out of state, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone, started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole, and niggas. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix, shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit, me I'm supporting this shit. This is a story, came from my life, and I'm just recording this shit. Her daddy is not around, mama is definitely not around. She got a business plan, but she just ain't had time to write it down. Stay with her sister now, she got a man, but he out of town. Soon as he out of town, they hop in his whip and they ride around. I was just climbing on the top of the pole and they get sliding. Thought about trapping a player before, but that just ain't right. Look in the mirror if you wanna look at some things on the prize.
Okay, y'all, so it is the next day. Am I like zoomed in? How do you zoom out? There we go. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day. And I didn't finish last night because it got dark film a video for you guys in the dark because I could barely see, you could barely see. Yeah, so it is bright and early the next morning. It is 8:46 a.m. and I have a bunch of different Amazon packages that I'm gonna use to decorate my cars today. So we can start with the first package. Everything that I'm gonna show you guys will be linked below, down below, in the description box. Dusty. This is a hot ass motherfucking mess. Dusty. That's what I should have done. So I just want to say that first of all, I freaking thought I brought a tripod for the camera for the car finally, and it was wrong. So if y'all know, in my other videos I be struggling when I'm in a car, but I thought I bought one and it's wrong. It's for the freaking phone. So like, but when I bought it, I thought you could just like unscrew that part and screw the camera on there. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know what I'm talking about. But it looks like this, y'all. And it's the actual picture where I got it from, like on Amazon. It's the actual picture of like a screw where you could screw the camera on, and it's wrong. It's wrong. Let's just get into the video, y'all. Because I'm playing. Okay, it's multiple things in one package. So what is this, y'all? This. Oh, these my little license plates. We're gonna do this at the end. I'm gonna have somebody else do it. We're gonna do this at the end. But these my little license plates, like, I thought these were so cute and different because I only see the ones with the pink X sparkle on it. I don't never see nobody with this like bow. So I thought this would be so cute. No, this is not bad. I thought this would be so cute. So they have the little bows on them. Yes, super freaking adorable. Oh, and y'all can see by the license plate, I'm doing my car pink. I do everything pink. But pink will just never go out of style. So then I bought these scrunchies, right? And super cute, right? They're like velvet, but they kind of got like a little, I don't know if y'all can see it, they kind of got like a little sparkle to them here. But y'all know that cover that go over y'all Prindle. Okay, not Prindle. It's called a gear shift. I call it the Prindle because that's what London Tipton called it in Zack and Cody. So the cover that's supposed, let me show y'all. It's supposed to go right here, and it's like sparkly that all the girlies got. Yeah, I didn't want to do that because I just felt like that was a bit much for me. So I just bought 2 scrunchies to go right there because I feel like, you know, less is more. Less is more, and it's really cute. These are all my Amazon packages, by the way. All of them. And it's, you know how Amazon do the multiple packages in one. So I did this because I just feel like less is better. Less is better, less is more, you know. Then I got this thing for my phone, but actually it's not black, y'all. It's just a box say it's black. I got this thing for my phone. Oops. And really, I was really excited to like open this up because I do need a phone stand. Even though I don't be on FaceTime or nothing like that, I do need a phone stand just to you know, keep me off my phone while I'm driving. I just feel like it'd be better. So this is it was just lighting up, I think. This is wireless. So I don't know why do it like this, but it did light up. Oh, look, let's do it again. Ah! If y'all have this and y'all know how to make it work, let me know something. Oops. This is what it's supposed to do, y'all. I don't know. If y'all know how to make this work, then please leave a comment down below. But it's cute though, right? Let me take my phone out. It's cute though, right? And should I have it on this side of the steering wheel? That's my side. This side of the steering wheel or this side? I was thinking this side because it's out the way, right? Yeah, for sure. How about this like 2 weeks ago? I just been procrastinating this video because I ain't been feeling like, ooh, cleaning out my car. Alright then, y'all. Okay, so I bought these hooks, the ones that all the girlies that you see on all the girlies videos and TikToks and stuff for the Amazon fans. I feel like I needed this because this is the reason why my car gets junky, because I start with putting purses and clothes and jackets and everything on the back seat. So for dirty car prevention, we're going to use these hooks. You feel me? Pay attention to detail. Oops. You'll focus? Okay. I got the sparkly tips, and what it is, let me turn the camera. You put them right here and right here. I don't have a purse with me. Ooh, but I got my work jacket. So when I told you I was standing in the car, take the jacket and hang it on the hook. Hanging. Yeah, I see the jacket is hanging right there on the hook. Period. Okay, that just made my front seat a lot cleaner minus these Amazon packages. So the next thing I'm gonna show y'all that I got is these coasters, I'm gonna call them. They coasters. They're for the cup holders in my car, and they came with 4, but I only got 2 cup holders right here in the front. I didn't think about the ones I had on the side or possibly in the back seat. Do I got cup holders in the back seat? I probably do. Who knows? But I gave 2 of them to my mom because I really just wanted to focus on the 2 in the front. So these say, "Don't fuck up my car." For sure. They say, "Don't fuck up my car." Isn't that cute? See, they dirty. I should have cleaned them out. I'll probably clean them out later, but because my car was just stuck. But I got this for my mirror. It's like a tri-thingy thing. I didn't want the other one that light up and all that extra stuff because I didn't want no cords. I didn't want no cords hanging from my my visor thing. Okay, y'all, it's supposed to go like this. Ooh, check me out, honey. Yeah, I look a damn fool. I look like I just woke up not too long ago. See? I don't want no fingerprints on my stuff. when I stop looking crusty, this is going to be extremely beneficial. And then I don't know, should I close? I feel like I want to close it and just keep it like that, but then it's not gonna close all the way. That's probably gonna bother me, so I think I'm just going to leave it open. Still not gonna close all the way. I don't know, but okay, so y'all, I got this, right? But I got this for like my door handle, and then this big part is supposed to go inside the door handle, but I don't think I want to use that part because it's a little too much for me. Remember I said, you know, a little goes a long way. So like it's supposed to go like so, like right there. That's gonna be really freaking cute. And then that other part's supposed to go right there. I don't think I'm gonna use that part, so I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna show y'all, and then y'all let me know if I should put both pieces right there. Purr. Purr. So y'all, that's basically what it looked like. Let me know if I should put the other like part on the inside right there. I still think that's doing too much a little bit, but if y'all say I should do it, I'll do it. Back inside the car we go. Y'all, the battery died, so now we are on my phone, and honestly I feel like my phone look way better anyway. That's why I don't use that camera. I gotta buy a new one. But in case that last footage didn't save, I opened up my pink garbage can, and it's cute. I said I was never gonna be one of the girlies that do this, but I'm doing it. But right now I'm trying to figure out what they mean by put this onto the side, but I'm kind of slow, so I literally have to open up the instructions, and I'm on step, I don't know what step this is. Okay. Oh, okay, so let me see. These are supposed to go, okay, these are supposed to go on the side, and you're supposed to, okay, that makes sense. So I opened up my middle console, and I just slid it back there, right here. Basically put it right here, so that way whatever I'm doing, I can just take this like so. Boom. How cute! How freaking flippin' cute. Next. Not sure what's in this, but y'all, this steering wheel is literally the reason why I went with pink for this car, because I do everything pink, and my last car was silver. So I was thinking of doing like purple in this car, but this steering wheel really did it for me. Look at it. It's so, oh shit. Okay. Look at it. It's so cute. So let's put that on my, whatchamacallit. Y'all, it's hot. Oh. I'm getting a cramp in my hand. Yo, I got the steering wheel. This is different. And now that it's on, do I like it? Cute. Cute. Y'all, we down to our last box. Unless I'm forgetting something, which hopefully I'm not, but I'm good for it. Oh, I forgot about these. They're not gonna match. So y'all, these are the little car mats. They look like that, but as you can see, that and that and that and that is 2 different colors. So we're gonna see. But the problem is, I don't return anything, honestly. If I buy something and it don't work out, I just take the L. I don't know what it is, but I just take the L each and every time on Amazon, Fashion Nova, Shein. Oh, Shein is a big one. Every time I buy anything, I just take the L and don't send it back. So if this don't work out, I'm gonna just give it to my mama. Y'all, don't mind my car literally not knowing how to shut the fuck up, but y'all, this is literally so cute. And then excuse my face mask too, but y'all, this is literally so cute. Like, look at the mat on the floor, and then like in the car, I don't know, it just looks so nice. Then there, don't fuck up my cars. Put my keys in there. Okay, shut up, Ford. Yes, okay, I know it's way more that I could do, but give me some ideas, y'all. Like, this is like really nice. Give me some ideas, y'all. And then with that being said, thank you guys for watching this entire video. It's time to close out the video. Y'all, I'm gonna be obsessed with this mirror forever. It's like getting all my flaws. Like, oh my god, it looks so raggedy. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you are interested, like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below if I should use them things for my door. Comment down below any other ideas you have for my car. Comment down below. Comment down below if you like this video, if you love me. And don't forget to subscribe, because y'all, I'm looking and we like 62, I think 62 people away from being at 1,000 subscribers finally. And I know y'all been patient with my inconsistency all of these months. Every time I say I'm gonna be consistent, I don't be consistent, and I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna do better. So I will see you guys later. Mwah.
If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you?